Hey everybody, this is Aaron, aka Confusion Entertainment. I'm doing this tutorial for Mad Zach and everybody at DJTT Tools and everybody that wants to see. I got a request on how to put Mad Zach's sound packs on your iMachine. Now, if anybody that does not have iMachine, go to the App Store, get it. It's $4.99. I've had it for about 2 years. I very much love it. I think it's awesome. Alright, let's just get into it. Alright, first off, if you haven't, you need to go to DJTT Tools and register for their weekly newsletter. And this is where you will find Mad Zach's sound packs. Okay, first off, I am at their website. Now, to find this, you will scroll down all the way to the bottom, which, by the way, their site is very amazing, very informative on anything. And here you go. This is what you want to do right here. We'll just start with this. Join and become a member. Okay, click on there. And this will bring up this right here where it says welcome to my DJTT Tools. Now, from here, you are going to register, sign up. You will definitely get a weekly newsletter, which in this newsletter is included Zach's weekly sound packs, which so far this is my very first one to get, but it was very amazing for me to find out that I could do this. Okay, after you go sign up and register, eventually you will get an email, which I already got, which was a while ago. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. You come down to that email where it will say, right here, it says Dan at DJTT Tools. That would be who it's from, and the subject is official DJTT Tools newsletter. Sorry. Okay, you're going to want to click on that. There is your newsletter. Read everything in it. Okay? It's awesome. Very informative, like I said. All kinds of stuff on it. Alright, here we go. Mad Zach's weekly sound pack, which my understanding this week is Hunderdaire pack. Okay, and this is his 32nd one. Very good, dude. Anyways, what you want to do is it gives you a couple options. Now, it says download the Ableton project. If you have Ableton, that's awesome. You're better than me, I guess. Anyways, all I got is my crappy iPod, and that's what I work with. So, for this to work, you have to download the WAV files, which I already have, and I will bring those right up. WAV files are awesome. And here they are. Okay. There they all are. What I found out, the very top one, which is not highlighted, is all the sounds together as one. One long, individual 16 sounds all together. Now the rest of them are the individual sounds, which is what you are going to want. So, what I did is highlighted all these, which hopefully I can do this again. And what I'm going to do, wait a minute, is highlight all these. I just want all of them except the first one, because the very first one is all of them together, like I said. So, highlight them. I'm going to copy. Yes. Okay. Now, from here, I'm going to just shrink this. I'm going to shrink this one too. I'm going to come to my iTunes. Right there. Now, when you get into your iTunes, what you're going to do is, at the top, you should see where you have, how to get into your iPhone or your iPod. What I have is my iPod. So what you want to do is come to the apps right up here where it says apps. Click it. You will get this screen right here. What you want to do is scroll all the way down right here. Now the app that you obviously want is going to be your iMachine. So we click that, which obviously it's already up. Now what I'm going to do, and this is very important, they need to be 16-bit WAV files. I don't think you can use anything else, but I'm pretty sure it's just that's all it is. Now, what you're going to do is come over to the add. Obviously, I already have all of what I want. They're there. I got them before previously. But, once again, I'm just going to take them all. Okay, except for the first one because it's right there. We don't need that one. I'm going to select them. And as you see, they are being put on to your iMachine documents as we speak. All 16 sounds, which is very awesome. Now, this is what you're going to want to do. Come over here to your iPod, your iPhone, whatever you got. I got a 32 gig 5th generation iPod, which you turn on. Okay. Open. Obviously, it's very bright. You probably can't see any of that. Which I'm just going to find the iMachine app, and it's open. Now, oh my God, you probably can't see anything. Which, hold on, just give me a second. Okay, it took a minute to come in. Alright, when you turn on your iPod and you go to the iMachine, and after you did everything that I just showed, you will come across everything that you have downloaded will be there on the documents. Now, what you want to do is check them all. Which ones you want, which ones you don't, it doesn't matter. You can check them how you like. I usually check them all. I mean, usually I don't put anything on here I don't want. So, check them all. Okay, with that done, you have the option of deleting or importing. Now, obviously you're going to want to import them. So, import. Now, this gives you an option of making, well, down here, import. You can either add them to any of the folders that you already have, or you can make your own folder, which I did. I mean, yesterday I did this. So, I named it Mad Zach's Sound Packs. Now, I already took the liberty of doing all this, so they're already on there like I know they are. And so I'm not going to add them again. But they are on there. And so, I'm just going to hit it again. Okay, once that is chose, I'm going to hit import. Now either, okay, so you might think that they're on there like they're supposed to be, but they're not. You have to go back, go to user, hold on one second. Obviously, if you are going to make something new, which I'll just make a whole new one, come to pads. Okay. Okay, after you have chosen a blank project, you come to the pads, you see there's nothing there. Now this is where obviously you're going to be looking for some sounds. Which you go to the user, you go to your samples, and obviously they're right there. Every single one of them. Now they obviously cut off when they're in the samples because, you know, the whole sample itself is not on the pad yet until I put it there. But these are little samples of what you can hear. Alright, so I'm going to go back and just load up the sound pack that I already had, all ready to go. Just give me one moment. Alright. Obviously you can arrange these in any way you like. I'm just doing one-handed because I'm videotaping too. I mean, but they're all there. Yes, don't mind my crappy speaker. Anyways, so I hope this tutorial kind of came out the way it was supposed to. Obviously, it was just meant to show you how to put Mad Zach sound packs on your iMachine app. Hopefully this was very useful for anybody, and hit me up sometime. This is Aaron, aka Confusion Entertainment. Mad Zach, you're awesome. DJ Tech Tools, peace out.